Hey everybody, Kensurfs here. Thanks for tuning in. We're in the shave den and it's time for another shave. Hope you're doing good. We're going through a heat wave in Southern California. It was actually broke 100 degrees. It was like 102 degrees on the coast last weekend. So looks like we're gonna have to deal with the heat till Friday. And right now, in Hemet, California, there's a big fire, and that's where my mother-in-law and father-in-law live. So they're actually coming over here to stay with us for a while because even though their house isn't near the flames, the smoke and the ash is just thick. So I'm gonna get a chance to relax in here today, spend some time with you, and do a shave. Today I'm gonna be trying out, for the first time, from Black Tie Razor Company, or Sir Henry's, Avenue, and this is an homage to Creed Aventus. And I actually happen to have my Creed Aventus here. We're gonna see how close it is. It's pretty close. It's pretty close. Now, Creed actually puts like a lot number on their products. So depending on when it was released, it might smell a little bit different. Very close, but each lot number is just a tad different, but this smells pretty close. So let's put the Creed back. I'm also gonna be trying out, again, I've tried this out before, but it's been a couple of years since I've done a video on it, and it's the OneBlade Hybrid razor. And if you haven't seen my video, you can always go back and look. It is it takes kind of a hybrid blade. It's a single edge blade, but it kind of, well, I'm just going to show you. It's like a DE blade, but it's only got one edge on it. And I'll show you in a second. And I'm going to be using, man, I lost this for a while. Got misplaced. Ended up being in one of my other locations. It's my favorite Omega bore brush. I saw Paul H. Films used one of these many years ago, and I go, man, I gotta get one. Just like Paul's, I gotta get one. And this is it, and I found it again. I just misplaced it. We'll put that into the crystal skull to soak. I'm gonna set the OneBlade box off to the side. And I'm going to be using the Captain's Choice copper bowl today because the Avenue soap is a nice big puck. And that nice big puck fits perfectly in there. Oops, I'm knocking stuff down here. I had to remember how to load this doggone thing, so let's show you what I meant about the hybrid blade. It is a feather. Let's open this up here. Oh man, no fingernails. So that is what it looks like. Got like these two notches on the end. So it looks like a DE blade. It's a single edge blade, but it's got a lot of similarities. And to put it in, we just go from the back of the razor here. Can you tell I've had coffee? There we go. Back of the razor, snapped into place. We have a pivoting head locked in, and this keeps the angle all the time the same, so you have a little less chance of nicking yourself than you do with a regular DE blade. Okay, whew. Let's get this shave started, shall we? And see, I've got some good growth going, and I'm growing out my goatee. I think I mentioned it because I'm going to be using another razor to shave it off in the future. All right, I'm going to use my thumb to hold the soap from rattling around in here. I've got the brush ready. Yeah, The aftershave is very, very, very close. This one's got the similar scent, but the aftershave is pretty spot on. Oh man, the soap really whips up good here. Oh yeah, look at that. So, you guys have a good week. Hopefully it's the weather's not so bad where you are. It's been very weird in California. We're in a drought. We got fires. I guess there's a hurricane down off the coast of Baja that's supposed to bring some rain this weekend up to Southern California, and I hope so. Big Bear Mountain's got a fire, and I haven't been at Big Bear in a few years, but I really like that. That's our local mountains. All right, the hybrid. Soap is nice and slick, and like I said, it's got a scent, a little fainter scent than the aftershave, but that's understandable. Okay. Yeah, I can feel it pivoting on me. The OneBlade's a good idea if you you don't like cartridges for whatever reason, but you want a similar shave to the cartridge. But it is a feather. So be careful. So I'm not talking. Oh man, it's knocking it right down. And as I said before, the head pivots. All right. I like it's got like a slot on the side here. You can kind of get a good pinch on it and hold it nice. And they come in different colors. Well, I was cautious. Wasn't pushing too hard on that razor. So I need another pass. But I don't see blood all over, so that's that's good news. The new shavers who are watching the channel might go, "What do you mean blood all over? Feather blade, what's the big deal?" Right? Once you've used a feather blade and cut yourself, you'll know what the big deal is. But well mastered, the feather blade's excellent. All right. Oh yeah. Yeah, there we go. That's what I want. And I'm putting very little pressure on the blade. Got the little symbol on the bottom. All right. Oh, I did get my neck right there, where I always do. Okay, that's expected. Hadn't quite healed yet. Yeah, there we go. That's what I like. And you know, what I found with the feathers, you might have a different experience, but I found like the second or third shave, they kind of dial themselves in. So I'm gonna leave this razor blade in this razor. I'm gonna be trying it again off camera, just to kind of dial it in. All right. I think that's the relatives just arrived. Aha. Now don't do this dry, guys. don't do a feather dry. But for me, it worked. Nice. All right. Can you imagine how much Creed Aventus this would cost? How many ounces is this? 3.4. Yeah, it would be in the hundreds. And again, I said very close. Ooh. Nice burn, but not too bad. Not too bad, but I can really feel that gave me a really nice close shave. Even dry. And I won't shave off my goatee dry. Perfect. Well, the links to the vendors are in the description of this video. In fact, there's still a code. I think it's, you'll see it in here. There's a discount code for Sir Henry's that gets you, I think, 10% off or gets you some savings. And it's still valid till November. So if you want to use the code, feel free. You'll find the code in here. And the people who didn't watch this video all the way at the end and they wanted to order these products and they don't have the code, see, you guys have the advantage. All right, everybody. Stay safe. Stay cool. It's very hot out there. Rolling blackouts in California. A big demand on the cooling systems. So please stay safe. And I look forward to seeing you all again very, very soon. Bye for now.